Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the QR code visible and Google Maps open. This saves time and avoids switching apps. Use the phone camera or a screenshot so you can scan quickly. Once done, grant location and camera permissions so maps can match the code to nearby places and suggest correct results. Make sure you're signed into your Google account for saved searches. This helps if you need to revisit the place or share it later. Next, use Google Lens inside Maps or the standalone Lens app to decode the QR. Tap the search bar and choose the Lens icon, then point at the physical code or select the screenshot from your gallery. Lens extracts the embedded URL or location text. If the QR contains coordinates or an address, copy that data. You do this because Lens translates images into actionable links and text. Finally, tap the decoded link or paste the coordinates into the map search bar to display the place pin and details, then choose directions or save the place. If Maps fails to locate the spot, manually paste the address or coordinates and try nearby search terms. This often fixes partial data. If scanning fails, retake the photo in good lighting, crop tightly around the QR, or try an alternative QR scanner to extract the content, then repeat the paste to map step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.